Welcome, everyone to JSA TV and JSA Podcast live streaming on ITW 2024. Guys, we are here a stone's throw away from the nation's capital, DC, and things are happening on this floor. I am Jamie Scotto Kataya, CEO and founder of JSA, and joining me here today to talk hot news from China Telecom Americas, we have my good friends, Louis Fiallo. He's the Vice President of China Telecom Americas, and Ming Wei, the Director of Solutions of CTA. And you guys all know CTA is a leading provider of communications and IT services. Louis and Ming, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jamie.
Glad
Thank
to
you
be
for
here.
having us.
Yeah.
Louis, I'm going to start with you today. So, what are you enjoying most about this incredible ITW?
Well, first of all, ITW is always a great opportunity to gather a lot of people from around the world. But really, what it also does for me personally, it gives me a validation as to what our strategy is and the direction our company is going. The whole digital transformation of the telecom industry itself is important. And listening to other participants, talking to other executives, I realized that we're on the same page. We're trying to do the same things. Maybe not fast enough, but we're still moving in that right direction, right? But at the same time, you also see some new innovative young companies that are coming in that are going to be part of our ecosystem, and that to me just creates more creativity, more innovation, and really benefits our end customers at the end of the day. So that's really part of ITW that I enjoy the most.
So well said. Ming, tell us, what are you seeing here at ITW?
Well, I really enjoy the fact that the ITW is being local to me for many years. I hope it stays that way for next few years, so I don't have to travel to Chicago, Atlanta, stuff like that.
Good hope.
Especially actually last night we had the first time gathering for all our CT attendees. First time ever. Yeah, it was I'm very excited, and because we have a global company, we just never got a chance. And this time, I think it's very significant for me. This particular ITW.
So necessary, and that's the beauty of ITW, right?
Yeah.
These face-to-face engagements. There's nothing like it.
Right.
Nothing like it. All right, so Louis, you're participating on a panel tomorrow about a good topic like IoT. What can you tell us about CTA's role supporting IoT projects?
Yeah, that's so I'm honored and on behalf of the company to speak about our IoT initiatives. And first of all, our parent company is one of the leaders, not the largest IoT provider in the world. Connecting over I think it's 800 million devices, right? So think about that as many. Okay, the challenge for us is that we're trying to replicate that same infrastructure platform outside of China, where we have to depend on third-party partners and stuff. It's a wonderful initiative to take on because it's really innovative. You're getting into automation, you're getting into things of telemetry data that you never thought of could be used before to be able to do certain things. You're getting into data analytics, and more importantly, you can also layer in artificial intelligence and stuff. So we're trying to replicate that, primarily starting with some of the things we were doing in Brazil, where a lot of our customers are in the agricultural industries, and they've asked us to get involved in some of this. We also have a big footprint into the automotive industry, so getting into IoT devices for sensors and stuff on devices, on industrial equipment, and everything else. So it's a big undertaking. It's like a separate company within the company, but it's exciting. It's something new.
So mind blowing.
Yeah.
And you can understand the layer of complexity when you add in automation too, and even AI. Yeah.
So we're excited about it.
Oh man. And okay, other exciting news. Talking about exciting, your parent company, China Telecom, was recognized for providing superior billing services at the 2024 Global Wholesale Service Provider Excellence Awards. Louis, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so I was actually privileged to be able to accept the award on behalf of our parent company this morning. One of the most complicated parts of telecom, doing global telecom, is billing.
Billing.
You got to pull information from so many different sources, but it's indicative of what we've been doing. Our company's been committed to the back office automation. Our company's been committed to integrating and providing better services. Our goal is every year to improve the delivery of services, to make it easier for our customers, to eliminate as much possible friction. But when you're a global operator, you need to pull information from all sorts of different sources, different companies, different types of products, different geographies. Taxation comes into place. So we take pride that we're recognized as one of the best in that area. So that was a very good surprise for us. But and when I was receiving the awards, other people were like, "Oh, that's a tough award to get," you know.
Yeah.
And we were happy we were recognized for our efforts.
Congratulations.
Thank
and
you.
This just happened, guys. This news is breaking right here live on the floor of ITW. So
Yes.
this is
Thank
incredible.
you.
Incredible. And Ming, as a global leader and innovator in this industry, what can we expect to see from CTA this year in terms of your goals and initiatives?
Well, this is definitely my favorite topic. I can talk all day long about this
I know,
because
it's a
I
big
run a
question,
solution
too.
team. Yeah, it's a big
Right.
question. But I only want to bring up a couple of trending that I see in our industry.
Yeah.
One is post-pandemic. We see a lot of need for like work from home, for example. It, what it means is a decentralized model is being embraced by many of enterprise. So this actually bring revolution change to their network. This needs uh, build a robust network, agile, with the secure access, everything. So that bring us opportunity because we have abandoned the network, we have all the resource access. This bring out opportunity for us to provide a network service, software defined network, and we can really take advantage of our 5G service in China. Um, Another trending I see is boost of economy. Actually, they bring all the manufacturings, including those energy sectors, even farming business, to go abroad from China. Like they come to Latin Americas, they come to Brazil. You know, like Louis talked about IoT. This is actually a big trending that we see. Many of those manufacturing companies, they are coming to our Americas, our region here. They want to use IoT service, and China Telecom actually is very strong in IoT service in China because we have intensive experience powering the entire, not just the product itself, but actually we build ecosystem for the IoT industry, and we can really take advantage of those expertise we bring to LATAM, and not only help those company in the from China coming to the LATAM, but actually we also help those MNC customers from US going to China. We can definitely take advantage of those expertise.
Incredible. Like you said,
Yeah.
it's an ecosystem too. You guys
Yeah.
have so many layers that you're leveraging
Mm-hmm.
for this best in quality service. It's incredible.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
really.
you.
All right, same tough question, but last question, my friend. So,
Okay.
all right, as a global leader and innovator, CTA, what can we expect to see?
Yeah, we're going to continue with our digital transformation as a company. A couple years ago, we decided to be focused much more on the overlay and providing services there. We've been building that. Now it's time to sort of monetize that. We're starting to ramp up our sales activities and trying to differentiate ourselves in the marketplace. We do feel like we have a niche into that space. At the same time, we continue to make investments in new technologies like IoT that's mentioned today. We're exploring new ways of doing 5G solutions, private 5G solutions, where we're not the incumbent. So that's a different approach for us than ever before. And then lastly, we continue to invest. We continue to invest into building a world class infrastructure because we feel that if it runs over our network, it'll be optimized to be able to carry traffic around the world for our customers in a very efficient manner. So those are our initiatives for 2024.
Incredible. Incredible. Guys, Louis Fiallo and Ming Wei, incredible leaders of CTA. Thank you so much for joining us today and taking time out of your busy ITW schedules. We so appreciate you.
Really,
And
thanks
thank you,
for having
viewers.
us.
Thank you, viewers, for tuning in to JSA TV. Happy networking.